What's happening, guys? We are headed deep sea fishing. I got to get to the place. We're running a little late, but that's okay. It's another windy day. They're calling for 4 to 6 foot seas. That's gonna suck. But we're gonna go catch some fish today. But we're about 4 minutes away from the place. We gotta get there, check in. We're gonna jump on the boat, see what all we can catch today. We're getting ready to head out, guys. It's rough. I'm ready to catch some fish. What y'all say? Alright guys, we have made it out here. Let me clean you off here. It's a little rough out here. Oh, there he is. I got him. Right there. I don't know if y'all can hear me or not. Black sea bass. There he is. There he is. Oh yeah. There we go. A little bit better fish right here, guys. Will that one work for the big fish? Does that work for the big fish or not?
Yeah, I did 13 inches.
Oh man. It's gotta be 13 inches. Got her a black sea bass. Hey, that was a quick release. Black sea bass. That's a good one right there, guys. That's a nice one right there. Probably the biggest of the day so far. Fill that thing up. There you go, Hillard. That's a nice one. Two nice ones. Black sea bass. Trying to catch a big fish, guys. Working on it. There he is. Probably another black sea bass, but you know, we're catching fish. There he is. Yeah. Alright guys, we be our last stop for today. See if we can hook something good. Got something. Probably like sea bass. And it is.
Already, huh? You hit the bottom.
Yeah, guys, it was a little bit of a tough day. It was a rough day, but we managed to catch a couple fish. But we headed back in now. We probably got about another 30 minutes before we get back in. Guys, once we get back in, I'll holler at you. That's gonna be it for this little trip. Hey guys, we made it back. Wish we'd have caught some more fish, but fortunately we did. We still had a good time. We still caught fish, but I was looking for bigger and more. But I guess you always expect that when you go fishing. But you know, the conditions, the water was rough. We was doing the best of what we had. But I was just happy to be out there, be out in the ocean, catching fish. But guys, I appreciate y'all watching. If you're new, subscribe. Guys, like this video, leave me a comment down below. Other than that, guys, we'll see you.